come to me father dear. Kiss me down and mother drank a pint of beer. Tears and grief as mother than after reap the corn. Leave where I was born, I cut the cup, I turned the bandage skulls and gobbled in a new pair of brogues. Wrapped another the bog, frightened all the ducks of the rocky road. The doubled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once ahead, a son or seven the rocky road. All the way to Trouble and what for Laddie in Mullingar that night, a resting level where he started by the night with bells of bright, and there he took a drop of the pure to keep his spirits from sinking. That's the paddy's cure whenever his double was thinking to see the lasses smile, laughing all the while. And to me curious child would set your hand up and asked if I was hired. Wages I required till I was almost out of the rocky road. To double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once ahead and turners over the rocky road, all the way to double and what for Laddie in double and next arrived and thought it was a pity to be in society prime. The view of that fat city was that and I took control. All among the quality bundle it was all on entity. Look and it something crossed me mind, and I look behind I wonder could I find upon me stick a warren and fire and after the road said to me corner grove and much in double the rocky road. The double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once ahead a turner down the rocky road, all the way to double the what for Laddie I soon got over and a bit better than I was bad, and landed on the cake and the ship was sailing Captain Atby Road. For the Norabody, when I jumped aboard I coming down for Paddy. Going among the pigs I played some rummy rigs and danced some hardy jiggles of water. A rowdy woman that went off all the head, wished myself was dead or better falling dead on the rocky road. To double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once there I turned her down the rocky road, all the way to double and what for Laddie the boys of never fail, and I went away sailing and to call myself a fool. I could so long as I had the blood began to boil. But I went up with the double all in the boil. They began to bugle around me boils as I and Shillelagh I let go. All my boil were by and I went up doubling with the Loverdery. Join me in the affray, quickly clear the way for the rocky road. To double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once there I turned her down the rocky road, all the way to double and